Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going on a trip report from Zurich International Airport to Washington Dulles International Airport. And without further ado, let's get started. Now I get onto the plane and here's my seat. We have a very nice tray table. It extends out, which is a very nice detail. We also have a little charging hole, a nice area to store things like papers and those little net things down there. You see those? Yeah. The safety pamphlet, which is always useful. They also ended up giving us a pillow and a blanket, which is always nice to see. On the side of the seat, there is also this remote. I believe it's to control the screen. You just have to click this button to pop it out, and there's the front controls. And on the back, there is also some gaming controls, which is also cool. You can see me. And then the flight attendant came over and gave me some nice airplane gummies. The seat also does recline, which is good. And here's me using the TV remote on the screen. It took me like 10 minutes to figure out how to use it. And I totally did not watch the Minecraft movie. Well, not the whole thing. I watched like half of it, but you see what I mean. There's also this really cool animation that shows the flight path. It took me like 5 minutes to record it because I kept missing it and the safety video kept playing. But yeah, it's very nice. Here's a bit of the safety video. It's a very nice, but honestly, it's a little weird, as you can see. Then we finally began our taxi. Well, I say finally, even though we weren't really delayed. It's just, okay, it felt like a while. Now I'm gonna just speed up the video until we get to take off, so you're not bored the whole time. Yay. And finally, after an 8-minute taxi, we get to the runway. And I'll just let you listen to these beautiful A330 engines. I don't know the actual name. I'm not that much of a nerd, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, here we go. Sorry for the noise of my phone rattling. And then I got this really nice good view of the airport from above. I mean, you can't really see like the turtles and stuff, but you can see 2 runways. I mean, that's not bad, right?
Celebrating the 1st of August, this is 1 hour.
We are at cruising altitude. The flight attendants came by, gave me a water and some refreshing tissues, but I don't know if they're tissues because they're wet, but yes. I also decided to bring out the gummies and try one, so let's see what I think. Okay, good. It seems that I liked them. Now, of course, we have to have a bathroom review. We got a sink, trash can, a baby changing station, a toilet, some toilet paper rolls, 2 actually, that's not bad. Some very nice soaps, and me. Okay, the bathroom wasn't actually that clean. Like, there was like water stains on the floor. Yay, it's food time. Looks like sweet potatoes, a cake, and I already ate the spaghetti, sorry guys. There's also fruits. And the best thing in Switzerland, chocolate. Then I proceeded to eat the chocolate. It was very good. Highly recommended. Oh my gosh, that's actually really good. The flight attendant gave me a lot more chocolate. But after the flight, it's time to land in DC.
Another plane! We're racing another plane, dogs.
Sushi is the best.
Right there. Look at it.
Well, it was sure fun racing that plane, but now it is time to land. Now I will be quiet so you can enjoy this beautiful landing. There was a bunch of people talking next to us, so yeah, just here's the landing. I'm sorry, no audio. And butter! Yay! Yay, we made it. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. See you guys later.